Welcome everyone. Today I will be reviewing a product which is a kind of popular product and it's a Korean skincare part, and that is called COSRX Advanced Snail Mucin 96 Power Essence. So this product is a kind of sloppy kind of consistency, and it is made up of snail mucin filtrate 96%. So, what is snail mucin? Well, the snails, when they mess around in your backyard or anywhere else, so they secrete a kind of material that's called mucin, and that is kind of a sloppy material. They keep the snails in a room for 30 minutes and they secrete this mucin and they extract it and then they filtrate it and they include in this product. Cosrx sources this mucin from a farm called Co-Seed Bow Farm, so that ethical process should be followed regarding the mucin extraction. So according to the studies, they don't test it on animals. I have been using these products for about 6 months, and only night time I have used this product. And this is a kind of a, you can say, a game changer, but it is not that much of a thing that I have felt about it, because it's a very hype product. Everybody was talking about on YouTube, everybody is talking about on Instagram. So I thought of, let's give it a try and see what happens. So what I have felt, I will talk about it, and what are the small things about ingredients that I have felt are working on it. So I will talk about this also. Let's come to the key ingredient part. Well, this product made up of 96% of snail mucin filtrate, and other parts are like sodium hyaluronate and panthenol. This product is a very sloppy kind of a consistency. It may not be a very good thing for many people, but it feels a bit very not very heavy. It feels a bit very light after application, but at first you will feel like it can be a very heavy thing. This is a sloppy consistency and very gel based kind of a thing, and it gets absorbed very quickly. After applying this product, stay for 2 to 3 minutes and then apply your moisturizer. Because of sodium hyaluronate, your skin feels a bit plumpy and a bit moisturized also. This product retails for 1450 rupees for a 100 ml pack, and this much of content of this product is actually amazing, because a serum we used to see that is a 30 ml or 60 ml, but 100 ml serum in a pack is a big thing. And I took time to to empty this complete product. This product works in a very certain way. It will not be affected on many skin, because I have seen people who didn't feel like this product is working on them, or didn't feel like this product is actually good for them, because some people reported breakout, some people said that this is not working on their skin. But as my view, I felt that this product change your texture, the skin texture a bit, and your skin will be like a bit of a Korean glass skin, but not so much. But it has minimized some of the problems on my face, that is a dryness problem, that actually resolved by this product. When I have left using this product, that effect lasted. Like, it didn't like it just changed after just I'm leaving this product and it got changed. It's not like that. It lasted. Another thing that I felt is a very good thing about this product is that this product retails for a very budget friendly way. It's not like a very costly product, and it's a part of Korean skincare. So you can see that the Korean skincare products are kind of costly in many ways, but this one is not costly. This one you can easily grab one, and it is very easily available. Like, you can get it from Nykaa, you can get it from Amazon, you can get it from Blinkit and Swiggy Instamart also. So it is a hugely available product. According to my view, is that this product is not a vegan product, of course, because it is made up of snail mucin. So it's not in a vegan category product. It's a non-vegan product. So some people may have issues with non-vegan product. This product you can apply on your skin if you feel that you need a very mild actives on your skin. Like, you want to try a serum, but you can't be able to understand which serum you should try. So you can try this one, because this one will not have that much effect on your skin. But yes, if you have issues with the consistency of this product, which is very sloppy, very kind of a different kind of texture, then I think you can explore other options. Another thing my concern is that this product is not like a game changer in overnight. Like, it will change your skin in a very short time period. It's not. I have been using this product for 2 to 3 months, and after that I got some kind of difference. Before that I didn't see any difference about it. It's just like a normal hyaluronic acid serum, it works like that. So my verdict on this product is that if you want to try a product and you don't have any issue with vegan or non-vegan thing, then you can try this product, of course, and you don't have any issue with the consistency of this product, and definitely you can try this product and you will get result. It's not like it will not give you anything, it will give you result, but it will take time. And according to the Korean skincare, that they have promoted the glass skin effect, so this will give you the glass skin effect. So yeah, you can try that. Another thing is that this product comes in a plastic bottle, so that is, I think, the very good part of this, because I don't have to worry about it, because I am kind of clumsy, so I keep, break glass bottles and all that. It didn't happen, but I have kind of a scare that I will break that glass bottle, because it happens to me all the time. But this one is made of a plastic, so that's a good thing, and it's a very good quality plastic. It's a very tough kind of plastic, so this one is good for that. So I will give it a 8 out of 10, because it's a bit slow like a snail, but it works, of course, but it will take time. And I don't want kind of things, which affect you in a very long term or short term. I just want the result. If it takes a lot of time, then it's fine, no problem. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video and if you like my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and spread my video to as many people as possible, and press the bell icon so that you get the first update whenever I upload any new video. So till then, take care, bye bye, and take care of your skin, and keep using serums and all that. It's good for your skin.